Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can crop an image in Adobe Lightroom. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Lightroom app. So I'm going to open this, and after opening this we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. It's up to your device configuration. If your device will be good, it will take few seconds. So as you can see, the Adobe Lightroom is open. Now what we have to do, we have to choose the image, that which image you want to use. For example, I'm going to choose this rare image, and after choosing this, as you can see, we have to go to the crop section. Here is the crop section, so we have to click on this, and after clicking on the crop section, as you can see, different type of sizes are provided here, like the aspects. So I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this we have to choose the size, that which size you want to use, like this one. As you can see, different type of aspects and sizes are provided here. We have to choose, and after choosing them, simply we have to hit the done, and after clicking on the done, as you can see, some other options are provided here, like the flip vertically, flip horizontally, and rotate, and this option. These all options are provided here. If you want to use them, you can also do that. So in this way you can use the crop option. I hope you guys understand this video, that how to crop an image and how to use crop option in Adobe Lightroom. It's very easy to understand. So see you guys in the next video.